What is up, everyone? Just a little video on trucking right now. So there, as you see in the little clips I put in, we are what we call stacking. So we're taking our empty containers, stacking them, and we have a lot of empties. So if nothing is coming in or nothing going out, there's no money. Nothing's being moved. So trucking industry right now is not that great. I don't see anything, picking up. So it's really not that good. This is JB Hunt. So I'll show you guys. I'll get a clip and then I'll show you guys. Like, this is the second location where we stack our empties. So we are picking up a bunch of containers from the rail yard out in Stockton, and we're delivering. We're picking up some loads, but majority we're stacking up the empty containers and taking the chassis back to the rail yard and dropping them off. That's not good. That means no money. So trucking industry very slowed down a lot. So I've been with this company not that long, only like a little over 3 years. First year was amazing. I was making money. And then after that, it just started slowing down. And that's why I did a lot of junkyard runs and pick parts for customers and, ship out car parts because people would need it. And being where I live, we always had the parts that people needed. So that's how I was making my side money on top of this. So I would go from here, working, trucking, into picking up parts, and then go home, package, and ship them out. Lately it's been consistent with the pay, but it's not as great as my first year. So we're slowing down pretty bad. It's like I'm losing about maybe $1,000 a week in pay, and by doing stacking these empties, it's just no work. So trucking is not that great, guys. So people that say, should I get into trucking industry and blah, blah, blah. I mean, yeah, it's great. The first 2 years, you're probably gonna have to go over the road and sleep in a truck. And I didn't like it. It's kind of like being in a prison cell. It's not like what they say, oh, you can go see the world. You're gonna drive by it. You're not gonna see it. So you just gotta suffer for the 2 years, get your experience, and then you can become local, go home every day, and do your thing. So I've been doing this for almost 20 years. So, and yeah, it just sucks that now we're stacking. So it's not that great. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So it's kind of like the ports, same thing. You get the forklift, grabs onto the empty containers, stacks it. So they go 4 high, and I think there's like 20 rows of 20 going that way, and then maybe like 4 or 5 going this way. So it's pretty bad. Like, there's hundreds of containers, and this is just one location. The other one is over where I parked the truck, or my car. I parked this truck and my car. So it's not that great right now. It's pretty scary. So hopefully the tariffs and all that stuff will be all right, and we're not going to slow down too bad to where I'm going to have to look for another job. So, and then I'll show you guys the other location. guess saw 3 in the front, plus there's 2 more in the back still, plus 4 high now, and then count all those across. That's just one location. The other location is right there. So yeah, that's not good. So that's what we're dealing with. So it sucks because this job is what provides me to purchase items to keep my content going. If this slows down, then that's it. And right now I only have like one sponsor. So I can only do what I can make. So if I can't, I'm not making any money, I can't make any videos on building any cars. So it sucks. So I'll see you guys in the next one.